just said you hit something. You said you crashed, therefore meaning you were driving.
No, but I'm saying
right.
I picked him up.
But you said you hit something. Right, you did hit
from my house.
Right, you did hit something in a driveway. You ran into somebody's house.
I was just at BJ's. I swear to God.
Where did you pick him up from?
BJ's.
Where's he at now?
I don't know.
You don't know. You drove him someplace, right?
No, I dropped him off.
Okay. Where did you drop him off?
Right up on the bin.
Where were you coming from? I guess is a better question.
I picked up my fiancé up.
All right, ma'am, over here. Where were you leaving? Where have you been?
I picked up my fiancé.
Where? Where's your fiancé at?
He left.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You okay?
No.
No? You got in an accident, girl.
What?
You got in an accident.
I know.
Are you okay? You injured?
Yeah. No.
No? Do you know what you hit?
Yeah.
Everyone saw you leave. They're trying to make sure you're okay.
No.
What'd you hit? What's that?
What do you say?
What did you hit?
The driveway.
You hit a driveway?
Yeah. Right when I came in the driveway.
Do you remember like where it was at?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Do you know a bunch of people saw you hit a house and leave? Did you know that?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a little burn on your chin.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Here, my partner's going to ask you some questions, okay? She's sitting in the car when I pulled up here.
No, copy.
In here, so. She's aware she hit something. She's trying to figure out where it was. Do you know, you have no idea where you hit it?
No, yeah, right on Vine Street. Right there. I'm on the
Check this up here a minute also.
Where was that again? Where were you coming from? I guess is a better question.
One there, check Frank Williams,
my fiancé up.
9463. This other vehicle here. Leave the
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
We're good.
people coming out of the house.
What's going on?
Your mom got in a little bit of a fender bender
No, copy.
driving home?
Is she with anybody?
No, she's with herself.
Surprisingly.
But it's not good. She hit a house with her car, with a family in it.
Where's her fiance? Nowhere to be found? I have that hard to
She
believe.
was sitting in the driver's seat when I got here.
One.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
She's never done anything like this, and the guy that she's with is really, really bad. And I feel like he has something to do with this, and I'm very sorry.
possibly. We'll get through it though. Let me talk to her, figure out what it is. Stay in the house. Don't get in the way of anything. It's not good. You can't run into a house and she's not in good shape. And I showed up here. She's sitting in the driver's seat. She got stuff. So.
Of course.
All right. That's where we're at. I'll come with you. I'll let you know what's going on. Okay. Yeah. No worries. He's not in that. There's no one in the house with you guys, right? Just you guys. No one come barreling in here or anything?
No, you're good.
All right, bud. She's still sitting in the car when I got here.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. Do some field sobriety tests?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to do some field sobriety tests? No. Okay, well, you were operating this vehicle when we rolled up here.
I know, but I'm saying I stopped the vehicle. I picked up my fiance.
So we're admitting to driving. You don't want to do field sobriety tests. You've been drinking heavily. You just admitted to that also.
No, but I'm saying I picked him up.
Okay.
I was just at BJ's. I swear to God.
Where did you pick him up from?
BJ's.
Where's he at now?
I don't know.
You don't know. You drove him someplace, right?
No, I dropped him off.
Alright, you gotta do some test work. You want to do field sobriety test? It's a yes or no. Turn around.
Can I keep my phone?
No.
Yeah, just keep it in your purse. You're fine.
Let's stick her first.
Interlock your fingers for me.
You got these guys, you have the detention lines for the telephone pole here. We're also taking out.
Jennifer, while he's handcuffed, you know what your rights are, hon? You have the
I
right
do.
to remain silent. Anything you say to you gets in court.
Should
Your
I
right-
not have picked up on it?
Listen, your right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. Right to an attorney present during any questioning. If you can't
Okay.
afford one, we'll give you one free of cost. If you want to talk to us, you can stop anytime. Okay? Do you understand that, Jennifer?
You've already been.
One's going to be out here too. We've had issues at this house before.
My partner's being just a question. She's sitting in the car when I pulled up.
I copy.
Okay. She's aware she hit something. She's trying to figure out where it was. Do you know? You have no idea where you hit anything?
No, yeah, right on Vine Street, right there. I'm on the avenue.
It's up here a minute also.
Okay. Where was that again? Where were you coming from? I guess is a better question.
One there, check.
I picked up my fiance up.
63, this other vehicle here. Leave the operator and female. We got other people coming out of the house.
All right, ma'am, over here. Where were you leaving? Where have you been?
I picked up my fiance.
Where? Where's your
BJ's.
fiance at?
He left. He left me.
Okay. You have,
He was driving the car. And he left me.
he was driving
he
the.
drove.
He
Yeah.
was driving the car. Well, you were sitting in the driver's seat.
Well, yeah, because I just got to my house, but he was driving the car.
But you were sitting in the driver's seat. And the
I know,
airbag's
'cause I
still
just got-
deployed.
I know, but I just got here.
Comes back on a plate. Black 2010 at Mazda. To Jennifer Morano.
I'm sorry?
You know what obstructing is, right?
Yes, I do.
Because all we have to do is get the powder from the airbag
Yeah, no, I
off
know.
of you.
Yeah,
So stop lying to us.
I'm not lying.
You just said you hit something. You said you crashed, therefore meaning you were driving.
No, but I'm saying I
Right.
picked him up
But you said you hit something.
in a driveway
Right, you did
coming
hit.
from my house.
Right, you did hit something in a driveway. You ran into somebody's house.
How much you drank tonight? A lot, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to test her? I will. I don't care.
No, I'm not.
Well, I'm leaving.
confused.
I'm leaving too, but I'll do
Oh,
it.
okay. These areas.
You want to do some field sobriety tests?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to do some field sobriety tests? No? Okay, well, you were operating this vehicle when we rolled up here.
I know, but I'm saying I stopped the vehicle. I
Okay.
picked up my fiance.
All right. So we're admitting to driving. You don't want to do field sobriety tests. You've been drinking heavily. You just admitted to that also.
No, but I'm saying I picked him up.
Okay.
I was just at BJ's. I swear to God.
Where did you pick him up from?
BJ's.
Where's he at now?
I don't know.
You don't know. You drove him someplace, right?
No, I dropped him off.
Okay.
Where did you drop him off?
Right up on the bin.
Right around the bend. So you were driving and you dropped him off.
All right.
All right, you're not going to cooperate with tests?
No, I do.
All right.
All right.
All right, you're going to do some tests for us?
Do you want to do field sobriety tests or no? It's a yes or no question.
No.
No. Okay.
When we do it for, I don't care.
No, it's fine. I got it. Turn around. Train's behind your back.
Can I keep my phone?
No, just give it to.
Let's stick it first.
Interlock your fingers for me.
You got these guys, you have the detention lines for the telephone pole here. We're also taking out this address.
While he's handcuffed, you know what your rights are. The right to remain silent. Anything you said you get some.
10-4.
No, no, I picked up him.
We have
dropped the car. And you left it.
You was driving.
He drove.
You
Yeah.
was driving the car. Where you were sitting in the driver's seat.
Well, yeah, because I just got to my house.
One.
You were sitting in the driver's seat.
I know,
Airbag
because I
still
just
was
got
Franklin.
I know, but I just got here.
You know what obstructing is?
I'm sorry?
You know what obstructing is, right?
Yes, I do.
Because all we have to do is get the powder from the airbag
Yeah, no,
off
I know.
of you.
Yeah.
So stop lying to us.
I'm not lying.
You just said you hit something. You said you crashed, therefore meaning you were driving.
No, but I'm saying I
Right.
picked him up
But you said you hit something.
in a driveway
Right, you
coming
did hit,
from my house.
Right, you did hit something in a driveway. You ran into somebody's house.
How much? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to test her or I will?
You can.
No,
I'm taking off.
I'm not.
Well, I'm leaving. I'm leaving too, but I'll
Oh, okay. Come on. Whose area is this?
Gonna do some field sobriety tests?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to do some field sobriety tests?
No.
No? Okay, well, you were operating this vehicle when we rolled up here.
I know, but I'm saying I stopped the vehicle. I picked up my fiance.
So we're admitting to driving. You don't want to do field sobriety tests. You've been drinking heavily. You just admitted to that also.
No, but I'm saying I picked him up.
Okay.
I was just at BJ's. I swear to God.
Where did you pick him up from?
BJ's.
Where's he at now?
I don't know.
You don't know. You drove him someplace, right?
No, I dropped him off.
Okay. You know what?
Where did you drop him off
Okay.
Right up on the bin.
at? Right around the bend. So you were driving.
All right. You're not going to cooperate with tests?
No, I do.
All right.
Whatever you want.
All right. You going to do some tests for us?
Do you want to do field sobriety tests or no? It's a yes or no question.
No.
No. Okay.
You want me to do it, pro? I don't care.
Can I keep my phone?
No.
Just
give it to.
Let's take her first.
Interlock your fingers for me.
You go through the advised if the like the tension lines for the telephone pole here were also taken out. Address.
Jennifer, he's handcuffed. You know what your rights are. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you gets you.
I'm not picking up him.
We got back.
Your right to remain silent. Anything he's taking, you can't report it. You can't afford to leave one. If you want to talk to her, she can stop it. You understand?
He was driving the car. And he left me.
He was driving the car when you were sitting in the driver's seat.
Oh, yeah.
One.
Go ahead.
I know.
Frank William Zebra comes back on a black 2010 Mazda to Jennifer Morano. She's 44 at that address. She is valid. -30. 59150 blonde and green.
You just said you.
Yeah.
You said you crashed. Therefore, meaning you were driving. Right. You said you did something. Right. You did hit. Right. You did hit something in a driveway. You ran into somebody's house.
All right, bud.
Hi.
She's just sitting there when we got here.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
We'll do some field sobriety tests. Do you want to do some field sobriety tests? No? Okay, well, you were operating the vehicle.
I know, but I'm saying I stopped the vehicle. I picked up my fiance.
So we're admitting to driving. You don't want to do field sobriety tests.
No, but I'm saying I picked him up.
Okay.
Where'd you?
I was just at BJ's. I
Where
swear
did
to
you?
God.
Where did you pick him up from?
BJ's.
Where's he at now?
I don't know.
You don't know. Where you drove him someplace, right?
No, I dropped him off.
Where did you drop him off at?
Right up on the bin.
Right around the bend. So you were driving and you dropped him off. Okay. Why
You're
didn't?
not going to cooperate with tests?
No, I do.
All right.
Whatever you want.
All right. You going to do some tests for us?
Do you want to do field sobriety tests or no? It's a yes or no. Okay.
Can I get my phone?
No.
Just
Give
me.
it to let's stick it. Interlock your fingers.
So you go through Survive CFD. It's like the tension lines for the telephone pole here. We're also taking out this address.
He's going to come in. Don't you write to him? Write to him anytime.
Did the vehicle hit the house?
Not sure yet. They didn't say anything about it causing too much damage to the house. I'm not sure yet.
Which house did it hit? I'm checking on that now.
Plate on that Cadillac is going to be a vanity plate. It's going to be Jen, Caddy, John, Edward, Nora, Charlie, Adam, David, Young.
Are all these cracks new here on the chimney?
Return to the original caller. Email is okay.
Yeah, it just happened. All right, we might have the fire department come out and take a look at it to make sure it doesn't seem like it's going to be falling or anything.
One's going to check South Mountain Center from 2.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, give us a sec. We have officers going to check on them. If you just want to hang tight for us.
10-4. It is still showing that the vehicle, the original caller, is at the address on Dovegate Circle. It's not picking anything else off of that.
Seven base.
Go ahead.
If you do want to start the FD this way, we have a chimney here, a brick chimney with some pretty heavy structural damage.
10-4, we'll get them heading that way.
So, sorry, you guys live here?
I live here.
This house? Okay, you live in this house, you live in this house. So what, did you guys see anything that happened?
I heard it. I was dead asleep, and I came out, and after I heard it, I saw a red light flashing here on the street, and that's all I saw. I'm like, what is that? So I went to look at the back, and I saw like the headlights and stuff, and I came out here, and he come flying out, backing out of here.
Okay.
And that's where he lost all that stuff.
You say he, did you see the driver?
No, I didn't see driver.
Okay, so.
Excuse me. Sorry, I don't cut you off.
No, you're good. Wait.
Yeah, I was sitting in actually this room right here, and I heard a big crash, and then I saw the lights too. My window, and I only saw the driver. I don't know if anybody else is in the car, but there was definitely smoke in the car.
Okay.
And then
Smoke from crashing, you mean?
no.
Like he was
From
smoking?
him, like he was smoking.
Okay.
something. And then I came out to see if he was okay and get the license plate, and by the time I got out of here, he was flying out.
Okay. And,
He's heading over to that address.
Video of the car as he was pulling out.
You did get a video?
But I couldn't get the license plate or anything.
Okay.
It's only like a 2-second video
10-4.
because he was already flying out of here.
right. Alright, so it's a white, what kind of car was it? A white?
It's a silver Cadillac, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, silver
I'm not
Cadillac.
100% if it's a Cadillac, but it's
Gotcha.
It's definitely silver.
Gotcha. Yeah, we have, I think someone did get a plate, and we have cars heading to the address where we think it might be heading, so
Dave's helping out in the driveway.
we're looking to catch it here and obviously figure out what's going on.
Driveway.
Would you be able to email that video to me?
Dave's close.
Yeah.
Because we're starting a whole report. Hopefully we catch this person. It's obviously probably going to be an OVI. And then a hit skip here for obviously hitting your house. So we'll get it all taken care of. We have the fire department coming right now. They're going to take a look at your house and everything, make sure that, because obviously, I don't know if you can see, the chimney's cracked pretty good there. They're going to make sure it seems structurally safe. That's not just going to kind of fall over or anything. But,
What's your address again?
7474.
7474.
so, was there anything else that said a tree was hit?
He took his tensioners for the pole out.
Okay. Is it like any of these live wires, or is that all just?
10-4.
I think those are all just tension.
Okay, I think you're right.
Definitely hit this. this was holding it up.
Right.
One's gonna be out here too. We've had issues at this house before.
What's your email?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. It's my last name, which is right here,
copy.
Henrik. Just the last name, HANRECK.
Yep.
At cityofmentor.com. Cityofmentor.com. Yeah. And if you saw everything else, I'm gonna grab your guys' info in a second here. We're just getting everything figured out. I'm listening to my radio traffic because we're trying to find this guy. So there's a lot going on here, but yeah, as soon as I get a second, I'm gonna get you guys' info.
Same female. We got other people coming out of the house.
Yeah, copy.
Take off my.
Somebody else must have saw something too, 'cause there were two females over here when we came out of the house.
Okay.
And they were talking. Like,
Gotcha. Yeah, I think someone else might have called us. Well, did you guys call us?
I did.
You
but
called?
I don't know if I was the first one. To call.
Okay, I think someone else might have called ahead of
There was
time.
like, yeah, there was
One.
like 4 people out here before.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Would you guys both be willing to fill out just give me one second.
Frank William Zebra comes back on a black 2010 Mazda to Jennifer Morano. She's 44 at that address. She is valid.
Would you guys be both willing to fill out a written statement for me? Just a brief written statement, just kind of what happened you saw tonight, what you got out, and then obviously you saw the car taken off.
Yeah, I just emailed that to you as well.
Okay, appreciate that. All right, I'm just going to bring back 2 statement forms for you guys. Just kind of go. And sorry to give you work here, but obviously there's a lot going on. Your car hit your house, so we're just trying to document everything we can. Get this person, obviously, there sounds like they're probably driving either high or drunk or something on the road, so we'll get it handled. And, all right, yeah, if you guys want to, is it just you guys home, or did you guys?
that's my house. That's the house there.
Okay, right. But, and you guys are all right, right? Nothing, just the house got hit, nothing, no one.
Woke up,
Okay.
my dog and I.
All right. Was there a mailbox or anything hit, or it looks like the car just came in through here, took out those tension lines, and then right into his house?
And then he backed out that way. And
Right, and
hit
back-
Dad on his way out. And
Is that tension line on the way out? You saying?
I'm assuming.
Yeah,
'Cause it was
okay.
definitely over that
Is
way.
there anything on your property that's damaged, as far as?
I don't think so. I mean, other than right here.
Okay.
I think it was all on him.
Right, which is just for the line. Okay. All right. If you guys just want to, actually, let me check out this damage real quick. See if there's any specific thing left behind here for this car. Looks like those are just your bricks from your yard there. All right, yep, give me 1 sec. I'll be back with some statement forms for you guys. Seven base. If you could also just advise the FD, looks like the tension lines for the telephone pole here were also taken out at this address.
10-4. We have 2 stations that are out for this call. Just confirming as well, no one was involved in this or injured as a result.
Affirm, no injuries. Car drove through the yard, hit a chimney, and drove out.
10-4. Units on Dovegate Circle.
We're 10-4. Is there any additional owners on that Cadillac?
Stand by.
I don't see any.
I don't see any either.
Yeah, it's definitely silver.
Gotcha. Let me show my here. Gotcha. All right. Yeah, I think There were. I'll let them know just to make sure. But yeah, I think they're out with it right now. I'm trying to listen to everything that's going on. But
You think they caught him?
yeah, I think they're at the. I think they found it at a house here, so they're figuring out what's going on. So like, we'll make sure we get it all cleaned up. You just want to leave that wherever for now, and then we'll make sure we get it all taken care of.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, and I'll get both of you guys started here, if you wouldn't mind. And again, sorry to give you work, but just helps us document everything. It's just for okay, so just gonna be your name up there, and then just explain just kind of what happened, however you explain it, whatever you woke up to, whatever you heard, saw, that you took the video, just so it's all documented.
Okay.
Just explain that you took the video, and then just fill out the bottom section here. It's your date of birth and all your info.
Okay.
And the same thing, just explain to him. It's gonna be your name up there, and just explain to me kind of what you heard, what you saw, just everything, briefly, and then
You come down here.
bottom right is gonna be your
Yeah, a
info
couple
there.
photos of this car, and then
Cool, thank you.
a couple photos of the scene.
Yeah, I'll leave everything where it's lying, or at least for now, just because they're gonna come. Was that around that area?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, perfect. Then no worries. Yeah, just because they're gonna come take some photos and they gotta do their thing. But
I didn't touch anything else, just that.
yeah, no problem at all. Yeah, just hang tight if you want to either sit on your porch or inside or whatever, and I'll check back in with you.
Okay.
And same to you. You're welcome to stand here if you want to go relax, take a seat on your porch or something. You're welcome, and I'll check back in with you. All right.
Hey, dude. Go ahead. 10-11 with Jennifer for a test. Some other charges. Starting 0. 112.
How's it going? Looks like the car drove off the road, took out these tension lines all for there, drilled that chimney. It's all cracked, kind of going up.
Okay.
And then backed out that way, maybe took out that tension line on the way out. So all these tension lines for the pole taken out, and then that chimney has some pretty heavy structural damage. So not sure if you guys want to check out that or the lines.
Find my name, I'll give you a plate off this caddy that's here. The plate that I had was personalized Jen Caddy. Okay, this plate on this caddy is going to be Henry King Frank 9261. I copy.
How's it going?
How are you?
Doing all right. Took over a couple streets off. We just caught up to them, so
Okay.
they're taking the owner in right now for a test.
Okay. There's nobody here then.
Right? Yeah.
Like nobody here that we need to check out.
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah. No one here. No one got hit. Just car through the yard, hit the chimney.
Okay.
Hey, copy 50 on scene at 113. 1.
Is the driver injured at all?
I don't believe so. They're taking the driver to our station right now for a test. They're arrested.
Cadillac.
I'm assuming she's fine.
Doesn't show any type of owners.
Copy, it's a rental. Here's the attachment.
I copy, it's attached.
Where's the car at?
It drove off a couple streets down and it parked somewhere, and our guys caught up to it. So the owner just got arrested for OVI. So not on scene.
Start stop.
Go ahead.
So we need the Highly black Jeep. Get your plate in a minute.
2 east of Paisley.
14 copies. Alright, dollar.
14 backing.
Two ways. Plates John David 4960.
I copy.
Hello.
Hey, good evening.
You alright? You just live in the neighborhood?
Yeah, I just live right across the street here. I just come home. I seen my neighbor sitting out here. I was wondering if he was okay.
Yep, everyone's alright. Looks like we had a drunk driver crash into the house and back away.
Really?
Yeah, so they just struck the house. Everyone's okay. No one was hurt.
Oh, wow.
And we got the driver in custody now, so
Oh,
it's all wrapping up.
that
Yeah.
had to be an eye opener for him, huh?
Oh yeah. They woke up to him.
His house?
Yeah, hit the chimney over there.
Oh,
But,
jeez.
but yeah, looks like he took out some detention cables for the pole too. So we're just kind of securing the scene, kind of
Okay, yeah.
get everything back in the.
Just wanted to make sure Ed was okay.
Nope, I got you 100%. Yeah, he's all good. He's inside filling out a statement for us and everything. But yep, he's good. Yeah, I'm sure you can talk to him tomorrow something about it. But yeah,
okay.
they all just gotta make sure everything's good over here. But
Well, you got a nice warm night to do it.
yeah, exactly. It's like I can't complain. All right, you take care.
The Sergeant Anderson. Good. We got the car photographed. We good with this? Leaving it here?
Yeah, she's not the owner, so we don't have to hold for anything.
Copy that.
Sure thing, huh? County 14, continue. 14 County, 200s. Take this. God. 10-5 jail, 3.7. 121. I got me.
You still working on your statement, or you got it done? Alright, I'll take a quick look at it. Appreciate you for filling that out.
No problem. I don't know if I even got it.
No, you did good yet. Nope, that's perfect. Let me just take a quick look at it before I... Perfect, I appreciate you. And you said the driver looked to be a male?
I believe so.
Okay, but you no other description other than that?
I only saw him for a second. I looked out my window and seen the car and I came outside.
Okay. I think it might have ended up being a female, but
Oh,
yeah,
really?
just so you know.
Well,
But yeah, it's hard to tell, like I said.
It was only for like a second. But
Right. Yeah, okay, so you didn't have any like specific description either way. Okay. No
You said like straight rough.
no worries about that, but alright, cool. I appreciate all that, and you're welcome to hang around outside, obviously, if you want, but I don't think we need anything else from you. I appreciate this.
14.
Alright. Yep. Thank you. Just so you know, we do have the driver in custody. Yep.
Okay.
I believe it was actually a female driving, so yep, we got her. Just give me 1 sec. I'll take a look at this.
Okay. I don't know if that's legible enough.
Oh yeah, we see terrible.
Okay.
We see some terrible handwriting. This is good. So just give me 1 sec to look at it.
Okay. How far down did they catch her?
I think she was a couple blocks that way, maybe even on the other side of Center Street.
Really?
Maybe west of Center Street. Yep, no, I appreciate you. And then, did you see the car? It backed out. Did it back out that way?
Yeah, and
So obviously it came in on this side of the tree, and then probably backed it. You think it backed out the road that way?
and then it just spun his tire, just took off that way.
Gotcha. Heads went southbound.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
I appreciate you guys.
How you doing, sir?
Morning, good, thanks. How are you?
Doing well. Yeah, obviously we're going to follow up with Mark Mason. Obviously don't.
Yeah.
You know? But otherwise, perfect.
And I did get that video. Thanks for sending it so quick. I appreciate that.
No problem.
Helps us a lot with our investigation. And just double checking, did you see, after the car struck, did you see the vehicle back out into the road?
Yes.
Yeah, so was the vehicle backing, did it go backwards all the way to the road? Obviously came in forwards.
Yeah.
Hit that, and it backed up to the road and then
Backed
drove southbound.
Correct, it's better.
Okay.
That way,
Alright,
yeah.
just double checking and all that. That seems to match up with what everyone was saying, so.
Yeah.
Cool.
Came in this way and went out that way.
Gotcha. Alrighty, cool, appreciate it.
No problem.
Yep, yeah, we should be all set. Cool. Oh yeah, I think we're all set, but if we need anything, we'll knock. Yep. What's that?
It looks like this was going in.
Yeah. Came in, flying off the road, just missed that tree, took out the tension cables, hit that, and then they said she backed out, maybe hit another tension cable. From there.
Yeah, you can see it looks like she stopped it, and then the fluid trail goes this way.
Right.
And she fled southbound.
Yeah, that's what they both said. This guy actually got a quick video of it speeding off southbound, so we'll attach that.
Email it?
Yeah, I already got it, so I'll attach that to the report.
Cool.
So
that's an interesting one. The phone called 911
right
off the impact.
Yeah.
I knew that some of those phones were doing that.
Right. Yeah, I've heard about that too, but yeah, it's the first time I've really
it was like,
seen it.
Cedar Point rides.
Right, everything was setting it off. Yep.
Yeah.
They were saying it was setting them off, and the cops were getting called. Yeah, I remember that in the news. But and this one kind of worked out for us. Got us here quick, figured out what was going on, and then
and then it tracked her all the way home.
Right.
When Johnny got there, she was still sitting in the car.
Nice.
Are you handling the crash part of it then?
I'm assuming yes, since they already got her there, I'll do the crash and everything.
Jones is going to do that. So are you back here tonight?
Yep.
Okay, just touch base with him. He's out of here at 3, so I think he's just going to start it.
Okay.
And then,
gotcha. Yeah, I'll touch base with him then inside. Was someone coming here for photos?
Marty's here right now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, just show him the path of destruction.
Yep. How's it going? Looks like the car came in flying off the road, drove this way. You can see the marks there just past that tree, struck the chimney there. After it struck the chimney, took out these tension cables on the way, struck the chimney, backed out all the way to the road area, lost some debris there, backed out to the road, left southbound. Yeah, so I guess probably coming around that curve and lost control. Took out some tension cables, lost some debris, chimney, backed out to the road. And other than just the path, the only thing that might be worth photographing is I think that big debris there, I just flipped that over. It shows that it's a same silver car.
Well, I'll take that.
Or take it.
Okay.
Then yeah, I guess that works as well.
All right. Anything else?
Nope, I think we're good. Thank you.
2 and 4, please check out. Copy.
You need my license number or anything like that? License info?
If you got it, you know it. I'll take it down for you. I'm sure we'll be able to find you either way, but why not? And what's your first name?
Ed. Or Edward.
Gotcha. You just want to hang tight for 1 sec? I'll be back with a report number for you. So you report this to your insurance company and everything, obviously. We'll have a whole report generated for it explaining exactly what happened. So.
Okay, cool. I appreciate it.
Yep, I'll write it all down for you.
Okay.
Circle room. Go ahead. A 9mm high point.
What's up?
1893379. 10-4.
I have to see for myself.
I got you.
Hey,
I'm like, oh, I gotta see what's going on.
Right. Is the car messed up good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it struck the chimney. It's got some good structural damage. Took out some tension lines and everything. Left some pieces and parts all around the yard.
Where's she coming?
She was this way. You can see her marks going right there. Just missed the tree just to the left of it. You'll see if you just walk over there, and then she backed out all the way back to the road.
Is that back down this way?
Yeah, well, then she backed up to the road and then went, southbound.
She's coming northbound. That's where I go back this
Yep, I guess that's what you do after you hit a chimney.